So magandang araw kaboli. Sa video na ito, pag-uusapan natin ng mga interesting po kaboli ng mga posts po ngayon. So of course, number 1 po na sports website po kabola dito po sa bansang Pilipinas, spin.ph. And of course, there's a trade rumor na pag-uusapan. Ito na nga po kabola, sa mga hindi pa na-subscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. First things first, yan, maybe the posting nito kabola nangyari na po yung All-Star, pero dito Stan Hardinger din naman po makalalaro po, no? Dito po sa PBA All-Star. Parang sobrang dami naman ata na injured, no? Dito po sa PBA All-Star na to was a lot kabola of controversy, issues kabola surrounding it kabola. So I hope talaga po that the PBA will listen to the fans, the issues, the complications kabola, na ayusin na po nila kabola, di ba? Masyado na po kasing katakatawa in a way Ito pong All-Star, dapat talaga marami pong dapat ayusin dito kabola. Now, napaka naman itong statement nitong si Junmar Fajardo, ayaw niya magkumpiyansa kasi sabi nga niya wala na daw mahinang team kabola. And of course, hindi natin siya masisisi sa kanyang statement. If you look po kasi at the standings, magugulat ka, di ba? Kasi po merong winning record ngayon ang Blackwater Elite, Terra Firma at saka Northport Batang Piera. And of course, we all know kung ano po sila sa mata po natin, ano pong pinaggagawa na. Isama mo pa dyan ang NLEX Road Warriors is currently at 4-1, di ba? So talagang magugulat ka. So, hindi naman natin masisisi po si Junmar Fajardo kabola. Pero come on, Junmar Fajardo, di ba? You're the best player. Pero at the end of the day, hindi naman po bulag ang mga fans kabola. When you say wala nang mahihinang team kabola, in a way that is still technically not true, di ba? Kasi po, as long as teams like your team, Junmar Fajardo, and the other SMC teams, and then the other MVP group teams kabola, are maximizing other teams to power up kabola, itong kanilang mga teams, there's still this unfairness kabola that's happening in the PBA that should change para talagang masabi natin na wala na pong mahinang team. Now, kinlaro po ni Coach Frankie Lim yung sitwasyon nga po kabola sa NLEX, di ba? Kasi may biglang pagpapalit po ng coach. If you remember, si Coach Jong Wichiko, pinalitan niya. Ito po si Coach Frankie Lim. So, nagulat actually po kabola yung mga fans and analysts kabola. Talagang napaisip kung magpapalit na po ng coach. Kasi po hindi talaga siya nagpakita during that game. Pero explain naman ni Coach Frankie kabola na masakit lang daw din talaga yung naging injury niya. Kahit sprain lang naman yon sa kamay kabola. Overall though, narurumor na to Snowbad when of course we trust Snowbad was sources kabola na malamang kung medyo pangit or average lang yung performance ng NLEX in this tournament, Coach Frankie could be replaced po as the head coach. Then, ito na, Jason Perkins conundrum, no? So, Snowbadwa and Homer Saison are claiming kabola. And of course, we all know they're the top 2. Of course, Snowbadwa is the number 1. And then, Homer Saison is a little bit distant second kabola in terms of rumors kabola in the PBA. They're claiming that Jason Perkins is a little bit unhappy in Phoenix. And when you say unhappy kabola, that could be leading to a trade demand kabola. Pero dinependa man yan ni Coach Jamaic kabola ng Phoenix. Although medyo sa kwento kasi nito si Sir Homer Saison, medyo palyado daw. Kasi nga po, yung unang naging rason niya kung bakit hindi niya nabigyan masyado ng playing time in the game against Ginebra, that according to Homer, naging mitya po na kanya pong pagiging happy ng si Jason Perkins is injury, pero hindi naman daw pala foul trouble pala, pero hindi naman pala foul trouble ito po si Jason Perkins. Overall, of course, we do not want this to be true. We want na sana si Coach Jamaic rin po ang mas malapit sa katotohanan. That is just basically emotional thing kabola, pero hindi naman talaga mag-lead agad-agad yon sa trade demand kabola. We want Jason kabola to be happy with Phoenix kasi it is for the sake of the parity of the league, and parity of the league will make it a better league. Ikaw baka ba sa palagay mo? Gusto na ba talagang magpa-trade po ni Coach Jason Perkins? Comment lang po sa baba.